Creating a pleasurable mealtime experience is very important. Mealtimes are more than just the food on the plate. It's about our eating with others and enjoying that time and companionship and also learning from others. Meals also give an opportunity for us to express our own identities and care for other people. We have identified in the Making the Most of Mealtimes research that how meals happened in long-term care was really important to food intake. Specifically, how team members interacted with residents impacted how much they ate. So we believe that the mealtime experience is extremely important, not only to physical well-being, but also emotional well-being. The Choice program is basically a program that helps team members and organizations improve meal times in their home. It's based on 6 key principles that promote what we consider the best practices with respect to meal times. Choice Plus involves a variety of tools and resources that will help teams and organizations to improve their mealtime processes and benefit residents, team members, and family members that are involved. There are several benefits to residents and team members by using the Choice program. First off, the Choice program is focused on relationship-centered care, and this is a key aspect of dining and leads to a pleasurable dining experience. We find that team members and organizations have a better recognition of what that really means when they undertake the Choice Plus program. We know that from the work that we've done with research that in various studies that if we have more of a social and relationship-centered dining experience, residents tend to eat more as well. So that's the first benefit. The second benefit is that team members are given tools and resources to help them realize how they can change their own practice to be more relationship-centered. These tools and resources like checklists, for example, get them to reflect on their own experience and makes it real for them how relationship-centered care should look in their dining room. And then finally, the last benefit that we have of the program is that leaders learn about how to make change in their dining rooms and how they can best work with a team to identify what needs to change and make a change in a positive way that sticks. And so leaders will learn innovative techniques about change management, and they'll be able to learn about how to communicate and build a team of interested folks in the home that are interested in making positive change to mealtimes. Leaders can embark on using the Choice Plus program in a couple of different ways. The first is by getting their team members involved in looking at the education modules that are available on the RA website. These modules will give team members and volunteers as well, if they're interested in being involved in it, a sense of what are those best practices and how relationship-centered care can actually be seen in the dining room and how it can evolve. So that's the first thing. If leaders are also interested in actually learning more about how to change the practice and get that support for making change in practice, they can also go through the leadership training that we have for Choice. And people that are really passionate and interested in making this change are the folks that are best what we call champions for change in their home. These folks will learn not only about the relation-centered care practices that are part of Choice, but also how to make that change and how to make that change stick. There's a variety of resources and tools that are a part of the leadership training, including change management techniques and how to evaluate and how to assess as well and build a team towards making those changes that they want to implement.